In the last session, we have learned how to prepare the statement of profit and loss. In this session, we shall take up problem number 5 on statement of profit and loss. Let's see what the problem says. They have given us some items like sales. They have given us salary, wages, stock, purchase, bank overdraft, interest on debentures, borrowings and tax. Whenever you start with the problem, first remember this format of profit and loss has to be done. Then in that what working notes are there, only that many working notes will prepare. Check out the problem. We have sales, will be taken in revenue from operation, that will be our note number 1. Then what we have next, salary and wages. Salary and wages will be covered in employee benefit expenses. So that note also is prepared. Then they have given purchases. Then they have given us first stock, then purchases. Stock and purchases will be taken in cost of materials consumed. Then bank overdraft, it's a liability not to be taken here. Then they have given you interest. Interest is covered under finance cost. That is the reason why a note on finance cost has also been prepared. So now let's see how to complete these notes, enter in the statement and how to get the final answer. The first one, what is given to us is sales. Sales is nothing but the revenue from operation, rupees 10 lakhs. Let us enter that. Sales, 10 lakhs. Whether given or no, immediately show here less excise duty. In this problem we don't have, so that is nil. The total of sales will be 10 lakhs. After this, what is given to you is salary, which is 90,000 and wages 1,10,000. Salary and wages are paid to the employees, so they are your employee benefit expenses. Let us record that in employee benefit expenses. Salary is 90,000, wages 1,10,000. Then they have given you stock below that purchase. As learnt in the last session, how we find out cost of materials consumed? Opening stock, add purchases, less closing stock. So now the question is, what stock is this? When the stock is given to you in the trial balance, when the stock is given to us in the trial balance or in the ledger balances, that is opening stock. Closing stock will be mentioned in the adjustments. Here they have given stock. What stock they are not mentioned? We take it always as opening stock. So what is the format of calculating cost of materials consumed? Opening stock. This is the format how we get the materials consumed. Opening stock, add materials purchase, less closing stock, all of raw materials. How much is the opening stock given to us in the problem? 1,50,000. How much are purchases given? 4 lakhs. So when you total this, what we get is 5,50,000. Closing stock of raw materials is not mentioned in the problem. So cost of materials consumed is going to be 5,50,000. After purchases, bank overdraft is a liability. Liability is not to be taken in profit and loss in the balance sheet. Then next, after that, interest on debentures are given, which are rupees 30,000, and interest on borrowings are 20,000. Interest on borrowings or debentures is covered under finance cost. So let us take up both in finance cost. Interest on debentures 30,000, borrowings 20,000. Total of this note comes to 50,000. That's all. Then they have given us tax. Tax will take up directly. See whether all notes are total. Note 1, note 2, note 4 is total. Note 3 is 2 lakh rupees. Now see how to complete the statement showing profit and loss. Revenue from operations as per note 1, 10 lakh. We don't have any other incomes. So our total revenue 1 plus 2, what we get is 10 lakh rupees. Once we finish this, enter the rest. Cost of materials consumed as per note number 2 is 5,50,000. Purchase of stock in trade is not there. Changes in inventories we don't have. Employee benefit expenses. Total 2 lakh rupees. Finance cost 50,000. That's all. Let us total it. So this is going to be 550 plus 56 and this 2. What we get is 8 lakh rupees. Now, total expenses we have got. Profit before exceptional and extraordinary items. 3 minus 4. Income minus expenses. So how much we get the profit? See, 10 lakh minus 8 lakhs. Our profit comes to 2 lakh rupees. Then we minus the exceptional items we don't have. So the profit again comes to 2 lakh rupees. Then we take up extraordinary items we don't have in the problem. So again the profit comes to 2 lakh rupees. Tax expenses. Yes, we have. At what percent the tax is given? At 30%. So that is going to be 2 lakh rupees, the profit before tax. Of that 30%. 2 lakhs into 30%. What we get is 60,000 rupees. Once this has been done, we minus it. 1,40,000. That's all. This is the net profit. If in the problem they have given you the profit of discontinued business, we add it separately. So in this session, we have completed problem number 5 on a statement of profit and loss. In the next session, we shall take a problem number 6 on the same. Thank you.